Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and healthy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 12, keeping ourselves clean, and today I will deliver its second lecture. So my dear students, हम अपने आप को कैसे साफ रख सकते हैं, कैसे हेल्दी रख सकते हैं, हम इस बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं यूनिट नंबर 12 में. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. For that, you need to answer a few questions. Quickly listen the questions very carefully, pause the video and answer the question. What made Ahmed ill? Very good. What are germs? Very nice. Can we see germs with naked eye? Very good. How do germs enter into our body? Very nice. Germs made Ahmed ill. Germs are very small living things, and germs cannot be seen with the naked eye. We can only see them under a microscope, and germs enter into our body through nose, mouth, and our cuts and wounds. So my dear students, now let's quickly look at today's student learning outcome, that by the end of today's lecture, all the students will be able to identify unhealthy habits that cause illness like cough and diarrhea, recognize the fact that germs can cause diseases, and list ways to avoid germs. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the Islamic perspective. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cleanliness is half the faith. Safai nisf iman hai. So my dear students, let's quickly answer that. Do you wash your hands before eating? Yes, I wash my hands before eating, and you must also wash your hands before eating. Okay, my dear students, in the previous lecture on page number 96, we were studying about the story of Ahmed, जिसमें Ahmed और Fahad जो हैं वो दोनों बीमार हो जाते हैं. These are two friends, and then they go to the doctor. Doctor उनको बताते हैं कि germs made you ill, and then they ask what are germs. Doctor tells them कि germs जो हैं वो क्या होते हैं. They are very small living things, and they enter into our body and make us ill. और हमें बहुत सी diseases हो जाती हैं. और वो पूछते हैं कि कैसे एंटर हो जाते हैं. उन्होंने बताया कि हमारी नाक से, मुंह से या जख्मों से जो हैं germs enter into our body. Then they ask that how do they enter into our body? The doctor said because of our unhealthy habits, and he showed them a chart of unhealthy habits, and because of these unhealthy habits, germs enter into our body and make us ill. And today we will discuss about these unhealthy habits in detail. So my dear students, quickly open page number 97, pause the video and open the page. I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, unhealthy habits. Unhealthy habits. We become ill when we do not use mask in smoke area. It causes cough. जब हम धुएं वाली जगह पर smoke, where there is smoke, हम वहाँ मास्क नहीं पहनते तो हमें खांसी आती है, कफ हो जाती है. Secondly, do not wash hands after using toilet. It spreads germs. So whenever you do not wash your hands when you come out of the toilet, it spreads germs. ये बच्चा जो है ये टॉयलेट से आया है और इसने hands wash नहीं किए, and now he's trying to eat cookies. So अगर ये ऐसे खाना खाएगा तो germs जो हैं वो फैलेंगे और ये बीमार हो जाएगा. Next is do not wash hands before eating. By doing this, germs enter into the body. So when you do not wash your hands before eating your food and you eat it with dirty hands, see, dirty hands, you become ill. And when you do not wear appropriate clothes, आप सही कपड़े नहीं पहनते, you do not wear proper clothes in the winter, you get cold and flu. Cold and flu. ठीक है, आपको खांसी और बुखार वगैरह हो जाता है. and when you take food from the vendors which is not healthy. जब आप बाहर से स्ट्रीट फूड लेकर खाते हैं, that is not healthy and you become ill. Eat raw vegetables without washing, it can makes us sick. जब आप बगैर धुली हुई सब्जियां और फल खाते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, आप बीमार हो जाते हैं. So these are all the unhealthy habits जैसे हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. So my dear students, now हमने जो है तमाम unhealthy habits के बारे में पढ़ लिया. Now we will make a chart of unhealthy habits जो हमने अभी ऊपर पढ़ी थी, और हम जो है वो चार्ट बनाएंगे and we will paste it in the class. So here I have made a chart, unhealthy habits. See? So on the first you can see when we do not wear proper clothes in the winter, we get cold and flu. When we eat food, take food from the vendors, हम बाहर से ठेलों से खाना लेकर खाते हैं, that has a lot of germs, we become sick, diarrhea हो जाता है. And when we do not wear mask in the smoke area, we get cough. And when we do not eat and we eat vegetables and we do not wash them, we get sick. और जब आप अपने हाथ धोए बगैर खाना खाते हैं गंदे हाथों से, you become sick. And the last one is when we do not wash our hands after using the toilet, it spreads germs. So this is how you can make a chart. The pictures are attached under the description box of this video. The teacher can download it and give the students the pictures and they can cut out and make a chart and paste it in the class. So this is the activity. Now we will move forward, my dear students. Now is the time for practice. For practice, you will move towards page number 103 of your books. I hope everybody has opened page number 103. The writing practice, we will do question number 1 and question number 6. What happens when food without washing our hands? When we do not wash our hands and we eat food with dirty hands, the germs enter through our mouth and we get sick. Is it good for health to have head lice? क्या ये अच्छी बात है कि हेल्दी है अगर आपके सर में हेड लाइस यानी कि जुएं हो जाएं? No, head lice are not healthy. So quickly wash your hair, take a bath daily and clean your head so that you can stay away from head lices. Head lice. Lice is already a plural. Okay. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. Quickly answer. Can you name some unhealthy habits? Yes, I can. Not washing hands after using toilet, not wearing mask in smoke area, not eating food with clean hands, not wearing proper clothes in winter, eating food from vendors, or another thing is when we do not wash fruits and vegetables and eat them, we get sick. Next, question number 6. What will happen if we do not use mask in smoke? We get cough. Why do we become ill when do not wash hands after using toilet? Because it spreads germs enter through our mouth and we get sick. What happens when we eat with dirty hands? We get sick. Germs enter into our body. Why is food from vendors unhealthy? अब जल्दी से जरा सोचें कि vendors या जो होता है वो unhealthy क्यों होता है? Because it is not properly covered. It is outside in the streets and on the roads where there is lots of pollution. Germs enter from there into the food and when you eat it, you get sick. Okay, so that's how you become sick. So my dear students, now is the time to note down the homework. Quickly note down the homework. Home activity number 1 given on page number 97. Which of the unhealthy habits do you have in yourself? How does it affect you? Ask your mother how could you change it Listen to her carefully and follow her advice. So my dear students, अभी हमने बहुत सारी unhealthy habits के बारे में पढ़ा. You have to go to your home. आप घर जाएंगे और आपने सोचना है कि आपके अंदर कौन सी unhealthy habit है. If there is any unhealthy habit in you, आप जो है उससे कैसे affect हुए, उसने आपको कैसे बीमार कर दिया. Talk to your mother and ask her कि आप कैसे इन unhealthy habits को छोड़ सकते हैं, avoid कर सकते हैं. Listen to her carefully and you have to follow her advice. Ask your mother to sign this activity for you, okay? So now we will move forward. You can simply download this worksheet from the description box below this video. Worksheet number 1, you will write down your name and your class, identify unhealthy habits and put a tick. आपको यहाँ पे कुछ different habits और कुछ चीज़ें नज़र आ रही हैं pictures के अंदर. जो unhealthy habits हैं, you have to put a tick in the box in front of it, okay? So you will do it by yourself. It's very easy. From here we will move forward towards what have I learned today. आज हमने क्या सीखा? Some unhealthy habits such as not washing hands after using toilets, before and after meal, eating dirty and unhygienic food, keeping body and surroundings dirty make us ill. तो ये जो तमाम अनहेल्थ हैं, इनकी वजह से हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने ये सीखा कि बहुत सारी अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें डिफरेंट डिजीजेज लाइक कोल्ड, फ्लू, कफ, डायरिया, इस तरह की डिजीजेज जो हैं वो हमें हो जाती हैं बिकॉज जर्म्स एंटर इनटू आवर बॉडी बिकॉज ऑफ दीज अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स. सो वी मस्ट अवॉइड ऑल दीज unhealthy habits. So my dear students, keep yourself clean and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.